For this problem, we want to find the derivative of f of t equals sine of t times secant of t. For these, you will always want to try to simplify them using sine and cosine. So this can be written as sine of t, and the secant of t is just 1 over cosine of t. And you might see that this will end up being tangent of t. You might have learned the derivative of cosine of tangent of t, which is good to memorize. So f of prime of t equals secant squared of t. If you didn't learn it, we can derive it really fast. So we use the quotient rule, so you're going to find the derivative of this. So we have the bottom, so cosine of t, times the derivative of the top, so the derivative of sine of t is cosine of t. And we have minus the top, which is sine of t, times the derivative of the bottom, so the derivative of cosine is negative sine of t. And it's all over the bottom squared, so cosine squared of t. So we can simplify this. We have cosine squared of t. A negative sine of t times negative sine of t is positive sine of t. Or sine means sine squared t. All over cosine squared of t. So if there's the basic trig identity, so cosine squared of t plus sine squared of t equals 1. So you have 1 divided by cosine squared of t, which is the same thing as secant squared of t.